How to find value stocks on Finviz. Looking to invest smartly and find undervalued stocks? Finviz is a powerful free tool that makes spotting value stocks quick and easy. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First, go to finviz.com. At the top menu, click on Screener. This is where the magic happens. Next, under the Descriptive tab, set market cap to mid or large if you want more stable companies. Then, under PE, price to earnings, choose under 15, a classic value investing metric. Now switch to the Fundamental tab. Set price ratio book under 1 or 2 to find companies potentially trading below their book value. You can also filter by debt equity under 0.5 for low debt companies. Finally, use the performance filter to avoid companies with consistent losses. Select positive for year or quarter performance. And that's it. Your list of value stocks is ready to explore and research further. Thanks for watching.